These are my new GoPro accessories. Came with this super cool little case. All this stuff was inside of it. I think this is for flotation for your GoPro. It's sticky in there. Here are some mounts. Looks like maybe the bicycle one. Here's a one with a clip on it. Here's a suction one. I've had a suction one before that didn't work very well. Hopefully this one's better. This whole, like, squeezes your camera in here and goes on the top of this, which is expandable. It goes out further than that. Holding the phone with one hand to record. There's a little tripod. Those things are all flexible. The legs. Here's a flotation device for your camera. Here's a chest strap and a head strap. Possibly a wrist strap. A little line so you don't lose it off of something, I guess. I'm not sure what this strap is yet. Maybe this is the wrist strap. Lots of cool stuff.